6 divided by 3 divided by 6 divided by 3. Here 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 and 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. Here divided by 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, but it is not correct. For more than one division we have to work left to right. So here 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 divided by 6 divided by this 3. Here 2 divided by 6, we can write this as 2 over 6 then divided by this 3. Here 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Here 1 over 3 divided by 3. We can write this as 1 over 3 divided by 3 divided by 1. Using KCF rules, here K for keep, C for sense and F for flip. We can write this 1 over 3 multiply 1 over 3. Here 1 times 1 gives us 1 and 3 times 3 gives us 9. Finally, this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.